Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mileena. I do videos about makeup, plants, my life, and travel. But today I'm gonna show you a few items that I got from Dollar Tree that can make your bathroom vanity, wherever you do your makeup, your beauty station, whatever you want to call it, or it doesn't even have to be a beauty station. A few items from Dollar Tree that will organize pretty much your beauty area can be organized with these few simple items. Before I start the video, please do consider subscribing. I do other videos about plants, like I said, makeup, and if you already fell in love with my personality, please do follow me at Mileena Glam on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, Facebook, and I believe that's it. Okay, let's begin. I don't know about you, but whenever I drink, I need a cute beverage to help me, aid me with my cleaning. Ah, this is so good. Okay, you guys, so here is my bathroom sink slash vanity where I do my makeup. There I am. It looks semi-clean, but in all reality, look at me being a hoarder. There's brushes, there's beauty blenders, makeup, razor. Hey guys, the first item that I found at the Dollar Tree. So I found this glass at the Dollar Tree that has a little lid, and this is perfect to put your makeup brushes. We're gonna put all my makeup brushes. I kind of had a similar setup, but this is a little wobbly. This is a regular plastic cup, but we're upgrading to glass. So this glass one won't move anywhere, and it'll store all my makeup brushes, you guys. I have a few more on this side. And there you go, you guys. So now I have room for all my brushes in this corner in the glass, and it's not gonna tip anywhere, and I won't have it in this ugly Sephora bag. So yeah, get you a little jar at the dollar store. I don't know about you guys, but I always have trouble finding a spot for my makeup palettes. Like, I love to use an array of makeup palettes, different ones, and they just simply end up like this in my vanity. Then I leave and it ends up like this. So what I found at the Dollar Tree is this little basket, and we can fit all our palettes here. Well, this one, we fit all our palettes in here, nice and neat. Like so. Okay, you just have to play around with this. And that way, you can just pick up the palette that you need, and it makes it easy to store it. Also, in this little basket, you can put other things like your powders. So this baby's gonna go right there in the corner. We definitely found a home for all my makeup palettes. How about that, you guys? $1 at the Dollar Tree. I know there's similar ones at Ross if you want to be bougier, but this one is gold and it works perfectly for all your makeup essentials. Okay, you guys, so this is what I had in my Sephora little bag, along with some makeup brushes, and This is what I use on the daily. I use foundations, lipsticks, lip glosses, nail polishes, eye drops, concealers, you name it. So what I found at the Dollar Tree were these mini acrylic boxes that are stackable. They're literally stackable. You can put them on top of each other. They will move. You can put them on top of each other. And then if you want them separately, you can detach them. So it's like you can organize stuff and then just pick it out and stack it back up. So I'm gonna put all my foundations in here. Perfect fit. So now you put it back up and we have all of our foundations. And now I can make this my miscellaneous, be crazy, and put everything in here. There you go. So we fit everything in there. This didn't fit, but we can put it in our little box. And there you go. So these are really cute. I know I use foundations a lot, so I can put this in the front and then this one in the back. Everything's there to go. You can see it. So this is a newer item at the Dollar Tree. It's with the back to school supplies. I'm sure it's for kids for crayons and stuff, but we can use it to store our lotions, our sunscreens, our moisturizers, our perfumes, pretty much everything that you own that you don't want to see inside can go in here. And then it has a little clip, and there you go. This can go underneath this and be stored like that. How cute is that? You can also use it for other many things, an array of things, deodorants, wipes. Okay, you guys, and the last item that I found at the Dollar Tree is this cute mini little glass that is perfect for, you guessed it, some Q-tips. And they're easily accessible. When you shower, you just use one. You know, you get that really good feeling when you put one of these in your ear. And yeah, you can also, let's get these out. You can also use it for you can use it for your lip pencils, your eye pencils, and a different array of things. These are so cute. If you plant plants, you can even grow a little mini propagation plant in here. So yeah, but today we're gonna use it for my Q-tips. So today we're gonna use it for my Q-tips, you guys. Okay, you guys, and this is the after look. So I have everything organized and it's clear and you can see all your essentials. And then on this side, I have all my makeup palettes, my powders, my moisturizers, and everything organized. And there you go. You know, we girls have trouble cleaning, makeup stained, everything unorganized. For $5, I gave my bathroom sink vanity a home makeover. It was so cheap. You could do it too. Okay, you guys, those were my 5 items that I found at the Dollar Tree as of August 2022. These 5 items helped me to organize my full beauty sink vanity. Now my vanity looks clean. I know where everything's at. But anyways, cheers to that. If you want to see more Dollar Tree organizing videos, other type of videos, plant videos, beauty videos, please do subscribe. thanks for watching my channel, and I will see you on my next video, you guys. My name is Mileena. It was nice organizing with you. Bye bye.